Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I will be doing like fidget stuff by myself. My brother's just playing Roblox and stuff like that. So yeah, my mum. This is the camera. My iPad's dead, so I can't play. I'm afraid. So yeah, I'm sorry. Anyway, yeah. I love doing YouTube channels, especially with you guys. I really wish I got like 200. Well, not 200. 330, because I don't want to get pranked for 200. Well, my brother's going to check on it like every week, I guess, because I think that will happen in like 50 weeks. Well, I think that's going to be till Christmas, because yeah, I'm in Exminster right now. We're England. We speak England. I want to show you all of these.
Because you were so tired
All my puppets. Mum, I'm doing a YouTube channel here. Can you see? That's my mum. She's really annoying. Can you go?
No, because it's bedtime.
Carol,
it's bedtime now, love.
Why is it bedtime now? It's like 2 o'clock.
I'm doing a YouTube video. Okay, it's 8:30.
What do you mean, Mum?
It's 8:30. It's bedtime.
Stop, I'm doing a YouTube channel. She's very annoying, you know.
Go jam your son to Zara.
Fine. If I do that, then I'm pranking you in every single YouTube channel. I'm pranking her in every YouTube channel. So Wednesday.
Pajamas on.
I know, Mum.
Pajama rammers. Let's go.
Oh, I know, Mum. Just get out and do myself. So yeah, guys, she's very annoying, and I'm playing this. I'm not putting my pajamas on. So yeah, one more fidget done. I'm just doing this. I know it's sad that I have to go, but yeah. It's not really sad that I have to go because no one likes me. So yeah, I guess. Wait, what? Oh, we forgot to do so. And that one, last one, you can do it, guys.
Right, James, jammies on,
Do it for you.
Cows.
So yeah, now this. Ooh, so cool, guys. I love all my fidgets. And yeah, we need lasers, like I said. We need to take this stupid thing off. I really want to play with this. This thing. Did you hear that? Getting phones away. I'm gonna hide my phone in there. I'm gonna hide my phone. Put it under my pillow. So yeah. Bye guys. See you on Wednesday. So yeah, bye.